Hello friends, in this video let's have a look at the concept of bar graphs. This is 37th chapter in New R.S. Agarwal book. In that one, let's have a look at first exercise, first set. Question numbers 1 to 5. So what is the data given? This bar graph is representing the export of pearls in crores of rupees, So whatever is the value that is mentioned over here is represented in crores, and the years are from 2001 to 2007. Let's go ahead with the first one. Now going ahead with the average export of pearls for the given period in crores of rupees is what? To know the average export of pearls, you must know the total export of pearls first. What is the total exports? Let us add it. So while you are adding, as for every number there is a decimal after only one place, then you simply add without decimal, you can put decimal at the end. 52 plus 65, 117, 117 plus 78, 195, 195 plus 99, 294, 294 plus 108, 402, 402 plus 95, 497, 497 plus 114 will give you 611. Totally 611. As you have decimal after one place, you put decimal after one place. So the total is 61.1 crores. Yes, I can say that total is 61.1 crores divided by number of years. I should know, number of years are 7 from 2001 to 2007. So divided by number of years will give you the average. So total export in all the 7 years is this, and the number of years are 7. Now go for cancellation here. 7 8s are 56. So that will give you 8.56, 7 7s are 49, again 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56, and so on. That means approximately it is coming out to be how much, dear? 8.73. Hence your answer has to be what? Option B. Please be careful, 8.7 is also there, but answer is 8.73, right dear? So take your answer as option B, right? Next, second, in which year was there maximum percentage increase in export of pearls to that in the previous year? In which year the maximum percentage increase in export of pearls is there compared to the previous year? They have given these 4 years only, we will test only for those. In 2002, what is the percentage increase? In 2002, percentage increase is from here to here, there is an increase of 1.3 and 5.2. So first one, 1.3 and 5.2 into 100, 1.3 and 5.2 into 100. I can feel it as multiply both with 10, numerator and denominator. So that is 13 by 52 into 100, which is nothing but what? 1/4. So 1/4 of 100. So 1/4 of 100 is nothing but how much percent? 25%. So directly I can say it is 25%. I want maximum. Next, 2007. In 2007, how much is that? Let us check. In 2007, percentage change is what? In 2007, from 9.5 it has become 11.4. From 9.5 it is becoming 11.4, means difference is how much? Around 1.9, right? 1.9 on 9.5 into 100, which is nothing but 19 by 95 into 100, we can say. 19 by 95 into 100 means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 100. So 1 by 5 into 100 is nothing but how much percent? 20%. 20%. So definitely it is not the maximum, because there is some value which is already 25. If anything more than 25% is coming, that will be the maximum, right dear? Next, 2005. In 2005, from 9.9 it is becoming 10.8. There is an increment of how much? 0.9 on 9.9, right? So there is an increment of 0.9 on 9.9 into 100. This becomes how much, dear? 9 by 99 into 100. 9 by 99 is nothing but 1 by 11. 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 into 100. 1 by 11 means we know that is ninth table. So that is 9.09%. This is also not maximum. Next D, that is 2004. In 2004, so 7.8 has become 9.9. There is an increase of 2.1 on 7.8. So there is an increase of 2.1 on 7.8 into 100. As we have 25% is the highest till now. If this is coming out to be more than 25%, this will become the highest. If it is less than 25%, that will be the highest. So we will compare these two only. Now going ahead with, this is how much dear? 21 by 78 into 100. Right? Now don't go for cancellation over here. So directly we will go for 25% of this. 25% of this is nothing but 1/4. Na? What is 25% of 78? Just check. 25% of 78. So we are just checking, is this 21 is more than 25% or less than 25%. So 25% of this number, 25% is nothing but 1/4. 1/4. What is 1/4 of this one? Half of this is 39, half of that is 19.5. Hence I can say that 25% means 19.5. Hence I am very much sure that this 21 is more than 25% of this. Hence I can say that it is more than 25%. How much percent exactly? I am not interested in. We are just checking which is the highest, as simple as that. As we already have 25% here and this is being tested whether it is more than 25% or less than 25%. As it is coming out to be more than 25%, as this value is more than 25% of this value, this will be the highest. So that is happening in which year? In the year 2004. Hence your answer has to be what? Option D. Right? Please make a note of it. Next, in how many years was the export above average for the given period? In how many years the export above the average for the given period? We already have found in the first problem. Average export we found it to be what? 8.73. We already have got that. So in how many years that is above average they are saying. Above average, how many years? Just check which years are having above average. So all these 4 years are having above average. So which 4 years are they? From 2004 to 2007. All the years are falling above average. Hence your answer must be 4. So answer must be what? 4 years. What are those 4 years? 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2007. In all these 4 years, that is above average. Hence your answer has to be option B. Right? Please make a note of it. Next, problem number 4. In which of the following pairs of years was the average export of pearls around 9 crores? Around 9 crores means average is around 9 crores for 2 years. So average is 9 crores means for 2 years. This pair of years. For 2 years if the average is 9 crores, sum will be how many crores dear? Sum will be 18 crores. So they are not saying exactly 9 crores, they are saying approximately 9 crores. So sums should be approximately 18 crores. That happens in which year? Just check that. 2002, 2003. Let us see. 2002, 2003. That is adding up to how much? 6.5, 7.8. You need not even add. Because both are below 9. So if both are below 9, average cannot be 9. Because the average will always be between the smaller and higher numbers. So two numbers must be, one must be above average, one must be below average. As both the numbers are below 9 crores, so adding the average of these two cannot be 9 first of all. Leave it. Next, this is impossible. I am not even adding. 2003, 2004. 2003, 2004 if I test, this is coming out to be how much dear? So this is, one is below average, one is above average. There is a chance that average may be 9. There is a chance. Now add it dear. 9.9 plus 7.8. So 99 plus 78 will give you 177. 9.9 plus 7.8 will give you 17.7. So it is coming out to be how much? 17.7. Hence I can say that this is approximately 18 crores. So that should be your answer. Let us check further if you want. 2004, 2005. 2004, 2005. What is this, dear? Here both the values are above 9 crores. Average, when you are taking the average of two numbers, one number will be less than the average, other one will be more than the average. That's the property we learnt in averages. So here both the numbers are more than 9 crores. So average being 9 crores is impossible. So leave it. Next, dear. This is also not possible. Next, 2005, 2006. 2005, 2006. So 2005, 2006. Here 9, this is 10.8, this is 9.5. Here also both the numbers are above 9 crores. As both the numbers are above 9 crores, the average of these two numbers cannot be 9 crores. Hence your answer cannot be that also. Hence I am eliminating option D as well. So what is your answer? Option B. Please remember, average of any set of numbers, average always lies between small number and the large number. Worst case, if all the numbers in the group are equal, average may be equal to the set of numbers that are given. So generally average always lies between small number and large number in the group. Remember that property. Based on that you can easily eliminate the options, right? Please make a note of it. Next, fifth one and the last one. What was the percentage increase in export from 2006 to 2007? 2006 to 2007, what is the percentage increase? 2006 to 2007. From here to here, what is the percentage increase? If you observe it, we have already calculated this in second or third problem. We were looking for percentage increase maximum. There we have already calculated that. So you can directly utilize that here. You are getting it. So if you have it out, let me go back to that question number, this one, right? In that one, 2007. We have already calculated this, na? So why should I calculate it again? So in the exam, sometimes the same solution that you did in one question may be helpful in other questions. Try to reuse that one. That's why I always have that observation. Anyway, I will show you the calculation one more time there, but you can reuse this. Right, dear? 2006 to 7 percentage increase. So 2006 it was 9.5, 2007 it is 11.4. The percentage increase is how much? There is an increase of difference is this one by initial value is 9.5 into 100. That will give you how much, dear? 1.9 by 9.5 into 100, which is nothing but 19 by 95 into 100. 19 by 95 is nothing but 1/5. 1/5. So 1/5 of 100 is nothing but how much percent? 20%. Hence your answer has to be what? Option C. Right? Please make a note of it. So this is the end of first set, that is question number 1 to 5. We will again meet in the next video with second set, that is from question numbers 6 to 10. Thank you.